Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll clarify an important point. Tabby does not offer direct cash loans. However, I'll show you how Tabby works as a shopping credit that serves a similar purpose. First, understand that Tabby is a buy now, pay later service, not a traditional loan provider. You get credit specifically for shopping at partner stores. Next, when you shop at Tabby partner stores, like Noon, SHAN, Adidas, you can split your purchase into 4 interest-free payments over 2 months. Then, this effectively works like a short-term, interest-free loan for your shopping needs. The credit is instant at checkout, no separate loan application needed. After that, some users have successfully used Tabby to purchase gift cards or items they resell for cash, but this violates Tabby's terms of service and could get your account suspended. The legitimate way to use Tabby is for your actual shopping needs at their thousands of partner stores across the UAE. For actual cash loans, you'd need to explore traditional banks or licensed lending platforms in the UAE. If this clarification helped you understand Tabby better, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.